and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your Snapchat story. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. I have my iPhone here. I can open up Snapchat, but before you do that, I recommend heading over to the App Store. When you're in the App Store, you can just search for Snapchat. And the reason why we want to do this is because Snapchat constantly comes out with new updates to add music to your story and adds new music and all that stuff. So you want to be available and access all of the latest music to be on your Snapchat story. So once you type in Snapchat, if it says open, you can just open it. If it says update, tap the update button and update it to the latest version. So let's go over and open up Snapchat here. Now you can see a couple of different options, and at the very top right here, you can see a few different options. Towards the bottom there is a little music icon. So I can tap on that music icon and it gives me a bunch of different options in terms of adding music to my story. So it says featured here, so it will show you all of these featured songs and music. I'll just choose attention here. And you can see that it pops up with a little icon at the very bottom that shows that there's music been added. I can hit play and it'll start playing that song. I can move my finger back and forth to be able to choose certain sections of that song that I want to add to my story. And if I want to delete that, I can always just hit the X button and go back into music to be able to add something else. Now, if you have your own specific music that you have in your camera roll, or you want to record a certain song or something like that, you can also do that. So at the very top, you see featured, my favorites, recent. And if you swipe over, you can see my sounds. So when you tap on that, you can tap create sounds and you get two different options, upload from camera roll or record sound. So say I wanted to record sound, I could go to this screen, I can tap the record button, it will record that sound, and then I can use that within my story. Or I can tap upload from camera roll, and if I have, say, an MP3 or some kind of music or song on my camera roll, then I can add it to Snapchat and add my own music to Snapchat and my Snapchat story. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.